Hello everyone and welcome to this short walkthrough on the hole filler mod. There are three different versions. We have the normal version, a choice version and a smart version. Let's start with the normal version. It can be crafted like so. There is an alternative recipe where you replace the clay ball with a clay block that will result in 4 hole fillers instead of 1. By default the diameter is set to 12, which is the green square. The config can be changed up to 32, which is the black square. The undo feature still exists. You have 15 seconds to break any block and it will break all connecting blocks and return your items. If I push F3 you can see that it is still a current block and not yet set. All versions of the hole filler will replace water. As well as lava. Now let's move on to the next, the choice variant. The crafting recipe is as follows. This one is pretty similar, you just shift right click the block you want it to fill with. Of course in survival mode you will need these blocks in your inventory. Now onto the main event, the smart hole filler can be crafted as so. There is an alternative recipe where you can switch the diamonds and glowstone around. This one tries to match its surroundings. Let's look at the config option, Smart Preserve. This will place the majority of the hole with one of these 3 blocks. By default it is cobblestone, but you can change it in the config file. As you can see, it only replaced the surface layers with their representative blocks. I'll play it again in slow motion if it was too quick for you. This will save your resources and keep your inventory tidier when filling several holes. Smart Preserve can be combined with another config, Dirt is free. If we turn it on you will see that it now favours dirt over cobblestone, further saving your resources. The smart hole filler makes use of a feature I call one-way blocks. For example, if the hole filler wants to place bedrock, it will instead place stone. Another feature is similar blocks. If you are missing a certain block from your inventory, but you have similar blocks, the hole filler will fill with that instead. So if it wants to place bedrock and you don't have stone, it will look for one of these blocks instead, as you can see here. Other similar blocks can be seen here. Grass has additional checks. It will only be placed if it is the top block in the hole, as to not waste your silk touched grass blocks. This just about covers all the main features. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join the Discord. Thanks.